Happy Saturday to you here in my kitchen. And I was going in the fridge for some almond milk and realized I was out. Perfect reason to do a video, right? You may be home realizing you have no milk left. You don't want to go to the grocery store. It doesn't matter if you eat dairy or not eat dairy. This is a great alternative. Non-dairy folks, you probably buy almond milk all the time. I'm not sure how easy it is to get right now at the store. Dairy folks, you may want to try just making your almond milk at home, especially now, right? These things are a bit crazier than usual. So this recipe, honestly, is going to take, I don't know, like 3 to 5 minutes to make. The recipe you can find under domesticlifestyles.com. So here's the thing about almonds, if you don't know. Almonds are a great source of fiber, right? So here's my almonds right here. They're a great source of fiber. They also have vitamin E and magnesium, which is really good. Most people are low in magnesium. So here are my almonds right here. These are soaked almonds. You see that? I prefer if you soak it overnight. 1 ounce of almonds is going to get you 37% of your daily recommended value of vitamin E. Isn't that crazy? It's also going to get you 6 grams of protein per ounce. So we're talking about, you get a lot of, people always saying that they're looking for protein. This is a great non-animal source of protein if that's important to you, okay? And you also get 3.5 grams of fiber per ounce of almonds. So here's a trick. By the way, I've already posted the link below in the comments so you can get the recipe. But here's my trick to get really great creamy almond milk. I soak it overnight. I try to soak it at least 2-3 days. And the longer you soak it, the creamier that almond milk gets. So these are raw almonds. You don't want to use the roasted, salted almonds. You want to use raw almonds. It may be hard for you right now to get non-perishable items like pantry stable milk at the grocery store. It may be hard for you to get pantry stable items, but I'm going to tell you, people are not buying up raw almonds. And this is something you can easily have. You can have it on hand, and then you can make your own almond milk at home. Isn't that good? Then you can feel good about what you're giving your family and make things stretch. Like all of us are doing the same thing. We're trying not to go to the grocery store as much as we have been, right? We don't have that convenience anymore. As you can see, I've added my almonds to my blender. Really easy, like a couple ingredients. I'm gonna add some water. I know people think this stuff is hard, but it really isn't. And so my goal is to show you that healthy is accessible, can be accessible. Some vanilla. And being healthy can be easy. If you want the exact amounts, I put the link for the recipe in the comments. I have some sea salt here. Just a little sprinkle. Yeah. And then for sweetness, I am not doing honey for this, even though you can. We're going to use a few. Are these pitted? Yes, they're pitted. A few dates, because this is how we get the sweetness in there. You see that? Have you ever tried dates? I can leave the link for how you can get these too, right? If you want to know where to get them. But you should find them at your regular grocery store. They're actually pretty sweet. Now you know how this goes, right? I'm going to blend this. I happen to have a smoothie setting on this high-tech blender. It's going to get noisy, and we're going to jam to the blended music, okay? So here we go. I put everything in, right? Bam, bam, bam. Yep. Let's go blend. Almost done. Almost done. Hang in. Almost done. 3, 2, 1. And it's over. So I honestly prefer to blend this twice over, but for the sake of our Facebook Live show, we're going to do this one time. Look at this. The creaminess, the goodness that's in here. So what I have here is a nut milk bag. Do you see this? Nylon, sieve, strong. You can get this off of Amazon, and I have the link how to purchase it in the recipe. And I am going to pour this goodness. Yeah, I'm going to pour this goodness into this bowl, right? Open it up so I don't make a mess. This is when I realize I don't have a napkin. That's what I don't have. I don't have a napkin. You have a towel over there you could just put at the edge for me? Just put it right here on the edge and I'll grab it. Okay, so let me show you. Just right where the computer is. You see that? So, and I'm gonna squeeze that goodness out. Can you see it? I'm gonna try to show you, but my hand is getting messy. I like almond milk. I'm not gonna lie. I know almond milk can get expensive when you see it at a grocery store. I know you may think it's intimidating and you like, no, I don't want to make my almond milk at home. But this is the reason why I'm even doing this Facebook Live, not a recorded thing, like live, because I want you to see how easy it is. You know, when you go to the refrigerator or the pantry stable section and there's no more almond milk, I want you to know that you can make it yourself. When you go to the refrigerator and there's no more dairy milk, hey, I want you to know that you can try almond milk. You can make it yourself, especially in these times right here. So I have literally squeezed the love out of these, and it's done. Gonna wipe my hands real quick. Yeah, guys, listen, make sure you share this video, right? Please share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. Because we all need to know how to make almond milk. We need to know how to stretch, right? I know that it's not easy times right now. Look at this. I know it's not easy, but we can do healthy quarantine, right? We can do healthy social distancing. And so here we go. This is the bottle. If you like this recipe and you want more easy, healthy, tasty recipes for your family, make sure to go to thedomesticlifestyles.com. I also have a free healthy cookbook called 10 Easy and Healthy Recipes that your whole family will enjoy, and they will, and you ought to go download that free e-cookbook. Okay, so this is what I also have a nut milk jar here. I'm going to close it up. It's for real. Like, hold on. Did anybody time this? Did you time this? Did you see how easy this was? And so here it is. And we have just made our almond milk at home. Hun, you know, like when I'm ready to sign off, I'm going to need you to sign this off for me because I won't be able to press N. So that is it. Let me taste it. So good. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me via comments, email. My email is Lisa, the Domestic Lifestylist. You can follow me on Instagram because you know how I say, right? Instagram is my jam. On Instagram is Lisa Leslie Williams. Get all your healthy living inspiration. Get your healthy quarantine information. Learn how to stay calm during the chaos because that's important, right? Make sure, please, share this recipe with your friends and loved ones because it's easy, right? We can all do this. We can do this together, all right? Cheers. Make sure to write your own prescription for health and wellness and do it with finesse and style. Bye for now.